Hello my dear students and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. It's good morning to all of you. Dear friends, as you know that we are discussing about the cell cycle and cell division, right? So in the previous lecture I have recorded about the cell cycle and the interphase, the G1 phase, the S phase and the G2 phase. And I have mentioned all those changes which are occurring in interphase, right? Now we are going to discuss about that M phase or mitotic phase. So first of all, let me remind my previous lecture a little bit, then we will move towards the lecture which we are going to discuss right now, right? So we know that, my dear friends, there is cell cycle and we have defined and discussed the cell cycle in a big detail. So the cell cycle comprises of two important phases, right? Cell cycle comprises of two important phases. One was interphase, done, and one was mitotic phase. Mitotic phase, or we call it multiplicated phase, or we can call it division phase, or we simply call it M phase. Clear? Then this interphase was comprising of three subphases: the G1, the S and the G2. Clear? So when all these steps were clear, when these steps are done in a cell, then the cell jumps to M phase, or which is called the mitotic phase, right? So we have recorded about this interphase, the G1, S and G2 phase, right? Now we are discussing about the mitotic phase or the M phase. As you can see on the whiteboard, I have drawn a cell, I have made a cell, and we are going to make it divided, right? There we will divide that cell. And how does that happen? We will see right now. Clear? Then friends, one thing more that we should not forget, that what is cell division, right? Cell division, what is that? So look carefully. Let me define first of all cell division. Then we will move further forward to mitotic phase and we will see what changes are occurring in cell during division. Clear? So what is cell division? Let us first clear from a diagram here, then we will understand what is cell division. Friends, it is a cell and this cell wants to become two. Clear? This cell is going to do something that will lead to its division into two parts. Right? So this process is called cell division. What is cell division? Look carefully. It is a mature cell. Mature cell. From mature cell we know, what do we mean? We mean that it has done its interphase and it has become mature. It has doubled its DNA. It has replicated its every cell organelle and DNA, everything. Right? Now this cell is going to make two more cells. Clear? So this process is called cell division. So what is cell division? It is a process in which a parent cell divides to two daughter cells. Daughter cells. That this is simply cell division. What is cell division? It is a process in which a parent cell divides to two daughter cells. That's enough. Then we will see further the types of cell division I will discuss right now here. Clear? So cell division is a process in which a parent cell divides into two daughter cells. Done. Let us write it here. A process in which parent cell divides into two daughter cells. Daughter cells. Such process is called the cell division, and we are not concerned with how many chromosomes and what does these cells are receiving. I will discuss that right now here, but we just want to know that what is cell division. So cell division simply is a process in which a parent cell divides to two daughter cells. That's up, right? And then we know that there are two types of cell division. How many types? we have two types of cell division. Clear, friends? So two types. And what are those? Those are mitosis and meiosis, right? So let me make here a very small diagrams. Look here, here is a cell, friends, and this cell contains 46 number of chromosomes. If we are talking about the human cell, so there will be 46 chromosomes, and this cell is going to divide into two such cells that both of them receive the same number of chromosomes. Both of them receive the same number of chromosomes. And here is another cell, and this cell is going to divide in the same human. It has also 46 chromosomes, and it is going to divide into two such cells that both of them receive half number of chromosomes, right? What is the process here and what is the process here? Here is that this cell divided into two cells, producing two cells that both of them have same number of chromosomes as that of the parent cell. For example, this is your parent cell. It is also parent cell, right? And these are the daughter cells. Daughter cells. These are also daughter cells. Done. So look carefully. The parent cell is dividing and making two such cells which resembles that parent cell, which are same to that parent cell, which have same number of chromosomes as that of the parent cell. So such division which occurs inside our body is called the mitosis. Right, friends? Such division is called mitosis. Clear? And here, if you can see here, that the number of chromosomes here are 46, and in these daughter cells, the number of chromosomes have been reduced, have been made half. Such division is called meiosis. Right? So now you know better that what is the difference between mitosis and meiosis. So mitosis is a process in which a parent cell divides into two daughter cells such that both of them have same number of chromosomes as that of the parent. Right? This is called mitosis. And meiosis is a process in which a parent cell divides into two such daughter cells which having half number of chromosomes as compared to their parent cell. Such division is called meiosis. And my friends, this is not enough about mitosis and meiosis. We will go right now in detail of them and we will see what happens really in mitosis, and in the next lecture I will record and discuss meiosis in a big detail. We will see inshallah what changes are occurring in a cell during meiosis and what are the differences between mitosis and meiosis we will discuss. Clear? So let us move forward and see what happens in mitosis. For example, my dear friends, it is a somatic cell, right? For example, this cell is a somatic cell. And you know mitosis occurs in somatic cells of our body. Clear? And we will see that while we are discussing about the differences between mitosis and meiosis, we will see that what is somatic cell and what is sick cell, that will be discussed later. So first of all, you just consider that we are discussing about mitosis, and here is a cell in my body. Look carefully. In my body, here is a cell which has been damaged, or here are many cells which have been damaged. So what do you say? What do you think, that will these damaged cells remain in my body? No, they will be vanished. How they will be vanished? Around that damaged area, look carefully, around that damaged area, those cells which are healthy, those healthy cells will start multiplying, will start mitosis, and will replace all these damaged cells, and the tissue will be repaired again. Clear? So mitosis is a very important process. Let us discuss. Here is a cell which is going to divide into two daughter cells. First, you should make a basic concept. I know you people will know better about that, about mitosis and cell division, but we should have a more clear concept of mitosis, that what really happens in mitosis. Look carefully, friends. Here is a cell, and this cell is going to produce two more such cells. as that of the parent, right? This parent has how many chromosomes? 46 chromosomes. Done. And look carefully, listen to me. This cell is going to make two cells and both of them will receive 46 chromosomes. We know that. Now listen to me. This cell has 46 chromosomes. This parent cell has 46 chromosomes. Clear? It has made two such cells that both of them have 46 chromosomes. Now count the number of chromosomes, please. 46 and 46 becomes 92. And this cell had 46 chromosomes. So from where these 46 chromosomes came, right? And one thing more, friends, one thing more important, that if someone asks how many number of cells are produced in mitosis, right? How many number of cells are produced in mitosis? So actually, there is only one cell, one new cell is produced in mitosis. How? Look.